Hey guys, we're here at our project M. We're working on behalf of Mod Cabinets here. They hired us to do the exterior while they tackle the entire interior of this home. So they originally picked a K-Can product, but due to the long wait time, we switched up to Gentech. We're going to be doing a vertical siding on the front of the home, except for the upper section on either side of the bump out will be horizontal, as well as the whole back and sides of the house will be the horizontal. But the front, we're going to have a nice vertical board and batten here. And there won't be any metal on the house except for a small soffit repair out back or installation. So it's going to be a fairly quick job, even though it's a two-story home. There's a little bit of rot on the far side there so far we've seen, but otherwise it's pretty smooth sailing. Yeah, let's do a quick lap around here, Paulo. So the guys are just working on getting the Tyvek paper put up. And we got our siding here now, I do believe. And they got all new windows installed now, which is awesome. There's the soffit repair I mentioned right there. On the right side of the... And this is on the south side of Edmonton we're working. And they went with a traditional lap siding. More of a classic feel to the siding. Looks like this decking is rotting out here too, so there'll be some extras on this one. So yeah, pretty much just demo so far and prep work. Fast forward 2 weeks and we'll have it all wrapped up.
We're here at Project E. Our project here is basically a design project. The existing space right now is like a unusable space here. That's why we ended up designing a new facade. We will create a new roofing here so that the space will be really useful. This is a repeat client from last year. We did the siding for this client, and now we're going back to create an amazing facade here. Yeah, because this space right now is really unusable. It's just like a courtyard space here without any purpose here. Mainly it's just the entrance. That's why we're planning to put a new roofing here, and it will really have a great impact with the looks of the facade here. And yep, hopefully we can start this one this coming spring.
Mm-hmm. Can you tell me a little bit about the order of operations, how we got to the point that we're at right now with the engineering?
Yeah, of course, the first process here is doing schematics for the client, getting all the measurement first and go to the drawing board to create some schematics. And then we also have, of course, the proposal. We ended up having like 3 options for the client, and they pick one. And then, yeah, we recommend to have, of course, an engineer here to calculate everything, to consider all the loads for the roofing. And yeah, then after that one, we could have good working drawings with the client or with the engineer, what I mean.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah,
so we're gonna have a post kind of right where you're standing.
yeah, we will have a 2 posts here, but again, the scenario right now will be the secondary post to transfer all the weights of the new roofing at the back. That's why we have HGI here to help us with that one for solving all the structural concern. And yeah, and again, this roofing have like a gap between both sides here, of course, to prevent all the snow just stuck there.
The new roof will have a gap all the way along.
Yeah, and this will be like a secondary roof here.
And will it be this new siding as well?
Yeah, we will do a new siding because last year we do a board and batten siding here, a white one. That's why we will do a new siding here. Again, same as the siding that they got. from us last year, at least just to make it a little bit modern. And yeah, I guess that's it for now for this project.
Yeah, we'll attach some renderings for the video so you can see what we're working for.
Awesome. See you guys.
Hey guys, Paulo in here at Project G. We just wanted to give you a quick tour on this place and talk about why we're here exactly. So on this property, it's a repeat client, but today we're going to start on the window project. The customer currently has some sliding dual pane windows. So they work okay right now, but the customer wanted to upgrade to some more higher efficiency windows. So they went and found their own tilt and turn European windows, and they shipped them across the ocean, and they're here now. We're going to install them. But some of the problems they had before was the inside jamb around the window on the inside was made out of wood. So that requires upkeep, painting every 5-10 years, and maintenance like that. So we're going to change that out for a vinyl jamb extension now. And we're also going to clad the outside of the windows with a color matching wood grain blue capping coil. That way they will never have to worry about painting the trims anymore. So those are the two main problems, having to paint the inside and the outside. But the customer also really likes these high-end European windows because they have the tilt and turn capability, much more functionality than your typical casement or slider. So those are some of the reasons why we're here working, and we'll give you a quick lap around. I'm going to change out this bedroom window here. And these windows, Paulo can speak to. They're pretty heavy, hey?
Oh yeah, they are. Yeah, high quality windows for sure.
Yeah, Paulo had to lift them, and they're surprisingly heavy for how small they are. We're going to change out the back office window here. So again, nothing exactly wrong with them, but they are just dual pane sliders. They're not that high efficiency. The bathroom window is going to get changed out, and the kitchen window as well. This one's going to be a little bit fun because on the inside there's tile backsplash. And then here's the basement window. Okay guys, we're here at our Project G. We're installing some European tilt and turn windows. So they swing inside, and then they also come out on the top side, so get lots of airflow. And here's the bathroom window. Again, it swings in, and then upwards. So really nice operation. Welcome back to our Project Y. You've seen it about a week ago when we did an update, so check it out now. We got our tile floor in, all grouted up, nice hexagon tile. And we just brought in this vanity, 306 pounds. We had to tilt on end and come around the corner of the door. So pretty heavy blue collar work here today. The main problem the customer was facing here was they had a dated shower here with a subway tile, and they're expecting a new baby. So we needed to upgrade to a nice soaker tub for the baby and the wife and the family to enjoy. They also had asbestos in the bathroom with a big bulkhead that's closed in the shower, made it really constricted feeling, and kept all the vapor, moist vapor inside of the shower. So we took that out, opened it up, and added new pot lights in here to make it really bright. And we installed new bathroom fan because that was original. And Johan has all the paint in now. And we're gonna work on the backsplash, the counter install, as well as the mirror and the light. And we're getting close to done here at Project Y. Another couple days, hey Paulo, and we're gonna be close?
Yeah, I would say like another 2 days and we're done here.
Yeah, so we're really looking forward to turning the key over to the customer on this one so they can enjoy their new main floor bathroom. They've been having to use the basement bathroom, so I'm sure they're anxious to get in here and use it. But as always, Johan's doing a beautiful job. No lippage on the tile. You could run a dime right across this floor and there would be no lippage. So it turned out awesome, and the client's going to really enjoy the space.